Tonight for allegedly pretending to rob people just to get a laugh. Action News reporter Kenneth Moten live in Spring Garden with more on the young men accused in these pranks that weren't so funny, were they, Kenneth?
They were not, Monica. I can tell you that these young men were accused of hanging out of a truck window, flashing what the victims thought was a real gun. One suspect was arraigned this morning. The other is inside Central Detectives right now, waiting to be officially charged. Police say several of these drive-by prank videos have been posted on social media. Now, those videos are part of this investigation. Action News was there this afternoon as Central Detectives walked in this handcuffed man in red. They say he was holding the gun in this disturbing video.
Put it in the truck! Hurry up!
Philadelphia police didn't see the humor after they say the man and his buddy, 21-year-old Darren Stinson, pulled what appeared to be a gun on unsuspecting people in North Philadelphia on Diamond Street last week. The videos were posted on Instagram. Police now know that weapon was a pellet gun, but the incidents were enough for detectives to go after the men for aggravated assault and several other crimes. Stinson was arrested earlier this week, but before he was taken into custody, this video of him appeared on the same Instagram account where the other videos were posted.
I gotta kill myself, man. It ain't about nothing. All y'all think it's over, but look. What you think this for? I'm right back at it. Why you chilling, man? I'm about to enjoy my food, man.
Police have interviewed the victims in the two videos we showed you, but as I mentioned, there are others, and investigators here are asking those victims to come forward. We're told Stinson doesn't have a record. The name of the other suspect has not been released because he hasn't been charged yet. Reporting live here at Central Detectives in Spring Garden, Kenneth Moten, Channel